don't mind me, I just woke up. So, I had this idea, this plan. This hand, I did this hand. She's cute. Can you see her? Yeah, strawberry shortcake. But this hand, bare, naked. I don't like that, alright? I could do gel X on my other hand. It's not a problem. I could paint it too. But it's gonna take like 10 hours, and I'm gonna wind up hating it, and I'm gonna have to soak it off at some point. No. And then I remembered I do press-ons. So just make a press-on set for the hand. So that's what I'm doing. I don't know if I'm gonna do her cat or another strawberry shortcake friend. I don't know. We'll see. Let's go. I just wanted to leave a little disclaimer. Yes, I painted Orange Blossom, and yes, I put a lemon on the nails. I didn't realize my mistake until now. I don't know why I mixed them up. I've never seen strawberry shortcake. I'm fake. I'm so sorry. If I could do it over again, I would. So, yeah, just letting you know I'm dumb. So jumping right in, for the base color, I'm using F012 from Beatles, and that's going to go on every every nail but the thumb. For the thumb, I used Mocha Magic from Nails by Dev. No, this doesn't go here. No. You ding dong. Then I'm going in with the second coat of everything, and before I show you what's on my palette, I wanted to show you the reference picture, the art inspo. It's like a chibi, chibi, strawberry shortcake, and friends. I'm so mad that I messed up. So on my palette, I have a white liner. Oh my god, I touched it. Oh my god. White liner gel, porcelain, brown, black, pastel yellow, orange, pastel green, and then I think this is black cherry from Nails by Dev. So that's my palette right now. Now I'm grabbing the 12mm Tenchi liner brush and the white liner gel, and I'm doing the outline of the French. And then with the white gel polish, and I think this brush is from Profiles Backstage, I'm filling that in. The reason I didn't use the liner gel to fill in the French is because it would be all streaky and I would have to go in with the second coat to try to fix it. And the reason I didn't just use gel polish is because if I did that outline, then it would like bleed out and it wouldn't be as crisp. So yeah. I know it's still pretty much Halloween, and I'm probably gonna have this uploaded before Halloween, so I could have done a Halloween video, but like I said in the last one, I'm tired of it. I really just want to move on. Like, it doesn't feel like Halloween, you know? I don't know. Maybe it's just me. It's like a part of me really wants the year to just be over, but what do I have to look forward to? I guess Valentine's Day. I don't think I've done any Valentine's Day sets. I should start planning. No, I gotta focus on Christmas. I was supposed to have a collection done by now, but I have not done anything at all. Oh my god, I'm so behind. I'm gonna focus on that. I don't know if you guys want to see the process of me coming up with sets. Maybe I'll make a video. If you're interested, I'll make a video on like my set designing process. But I don't really design them. I just look at a picture and I'm like, I want to put that on nails. And then I sit at my desk and I freestyle. Because I don't know why. I think I said this last time too, but when I try to sit down and sketch it out, like make it make sense on a piece of paper, it comes out bad. Moving on to Orange Blossom, I used the nude liner gel from Profiles Backstage and my 7mm liner brush to sketch her out. Yeah, typically I would do a color block, but I like to outline human-like characters because it's harder to get their likeness for me for some reason. Also, I realized that I painted her upside down because you see my thumb. Who is... Oh, I did it backwards. No. Oh my god. Bro. I was doing so good. Why are my lint-free wipes so linty? So yeah, I flipped her over and tried again. I will say I wish I'd made her as small as I did when I did it the first time, but this set is just for me, so I don't really care how it came out per se. Well, I do, obviously. Like I said last time, if you're looking to follow along, there's going to be a longer and unedited version that I'll upload after this. It takes longer to upload because it's a longer video, so yeah, you could always slow that one down if you need to. If you want to follow along. I don't know, that's your business, unless you just want it in the background while you're painting, you know, do your thing. I think the next video I'm going to make is going to be a tutorial. Feel free to let me know what you want to see. I know I did a poll on Instagram and there was a tie between, I forgot her name, Mei Lee, is that her name? From Turning Red. That would be a 3D animation tutorial. And then the second option that got tied is like this X-ray pastel My Melody. And that would be teaching ombre and line work. I don't know which one you want to see. I'm only going to do one right now. But the 3D animation one would probably be like 4.5 hours long. Because it's 3D animation. And with tutorials, I am debating whether or not to also make 2 different versions of those kinds of videos, because I feel like obviously you want to have the full-length in-depth tutorial. They would both have a voiceover, by the way. Full-length tutorial, and then the other one would, like this, be a shorter one. But I feel like, although it's not necessary, personally, if I watch a tutorial and then I forgot about it, but I don't necessarily need to watch the entire 4 hours again, I would prefer just a recap. That's my thought process anyway. I don't know if anyone's actually going to use it, but I like it when things are just straight to the point, you know? So I feel like that would help other people like me who just want, like, I just need words. I don't gotta watch it again. Just excuse you. Just tell me what to do. I'll figure it out. So you see me filling in these large areas with orange gel liner. I did this on purpose because I wanted to show you what I do to fix the streakiness, but also keep the pigmentation. So I'm doing the hair right now. This is Black Cherry from Nails by Dev. It is a gel polish. Although it's a good color, it moves. It bleeds because it's a polish. It doesn't have the same consistency as a gel liner. And then I tried to go in with a brown gel liner, but it was too light. So what I did was mix them. So it has the pigmentation of the liner, but it self-levels like a polish. That's what I did for the hat and the sweater. I typically wouldn't do that, but I had to paint something over the sweater because normally a top coat fixes it just fine for me, but because I'm painting something over it, I didn't want the flower to be bumpy. And then the flower, this girl was hard. Again, I mixed a gel liner and a polish. And yeah, flowers and stars are my worst enemy. I hate painting them. I went in with the dotting tool and I just kept messing around with that till it looked okay. I hate painting flowers. I love stars. Hate painting them though. And then I went in with white for her collar and I think the threading in her hat. Oh, and yeah, the cuffs of her sleeves. And I used the beige liner for her pants because it's a smaller area. I didn't have to mix it with the polish because it was fine. So on the French we're doing, I think it's called gingham, that like picnic blanket pattern. So I'm doing 2 thick lines vertically and then 1 thick line across those horizontally. And then 1 thin line down the middle of that. And then on the sides I did 2 more like half thick lines. I have to keep redoing my voiceovers because my phone keeps going off because Shania keeps getting me more followers. She's so fucking real. She's like, oh my god. Girl, switch to marketing. You should be a business major. Fuck lawyering. Lawyering? Fuck being a lawyer. Now with the darker color, in the areas that the lines overlap, I'm going to paint out a square to basically show the overlap. I used orange. For my other hand, I used pink and dark pink. I should have used pastel orange and orange, but I didn't know that this was Orange Blossom at the time. Oh my god. I only painted where the thicker lines overlap, not the thin one. Oh my god, I punched my mic again. Then I'm filling in the background and color blocking out her hand because I forgot to do that. I forgot to outline it earlier. And then I'm taking Nails by Dev Baddest Black and outlining everything with a black outline. On the other hand, I did I think it's a brown outline, but I didn't think it was gonna show up on her hair because it's lighter. I just felt like it would look weird because I like my outlines to be a lot darker than the whatever I'm outlining. So I just want to finish this. I'm so tired. Okay, I think that nope. Oh my god, it's so crazy to me that this is what I'm doing with my life. Shut the fuck up. Shut up, you don't even live here. Yeah, I never thought I'd see myself being a nail artist. I wanted to be a lawyer or like a journalist. But then are you dead ass? Bit. But then, you know, reality started hitting. Guidance counselor's like, what the fuck are you gonna do with your life? And I'm like, damn, I don't know. I really wanted to be, that's crazy to me that I wanted to be a lawyer. I can't speak to people. I can't speak publicly. What was I thinking? Money. But I wouldn't have any time. I want to work in criminal law. What time would I have? That was crazy. Crazy and ambitious. I like fiddled with the idea of being an artist, but realistically, I wasn't very creative because, let me not disrespect myself, but yeah, I preferred to just see if I could copy the work that I'm seeing, you know what I mean? I wanted to be like a little copy and paste machine, but how far can you really get in like being an original artist doing that? You can't, you know? And I only draw small. My drawings would only come out good if I was making tiny little sketches in the corner of my paper. If I try to do like a whole piece of paper, trash. So I guess I was like meant to do this in a sense, but I don't know, never saw it coming. It's kind of cool. Now on to the 3D stuff. I'm using this gel I got from Amazon, I'm scooping it out and then just putting it on the nail, and then I like pat it down and flatten it to make it into the shape of a lemon, but I wasn't sure if I wanted to make it like a lemon slice or a lemon, and I forgot what a lemon looked like, so I had to stop and go look at a picture of a lemon, which like there should have been a sign that I was doing it wrong, that I didn't remember what a lemon looked like, but I remember what an orange looked like. That was the universe telling me to stop, and I didn't listen. Now I'm grabbing a little more gel to make the leaf. I could have put a leaf on an orange. I need to get over it. It's not that serious, but like this set could have been perfect. I'm so sad. Then I'm grabbing, I believe it's the same yellow I used for the flower on her shirt, and just painting over the lemon shape. I don't know if it's clear gel or white gel that you could like put a little drop of your polish in and then like knead the gel and then it turns that color, or maybe I was lied to. I don't know. I tried to do it with a clear one, but it was not good. It turned out really cloudy and gross. So I'm thinking it's the white one. That would make sense. Oh my god. Oh my god. Now I'm applying the press-ons. Look at the cute little face my drill has. I love her. Yeah, I'm taking my mini sandal bit and just pushing back my cuticles, eponychium, that good stuff, and then filing the shine off my nail. Yeah, and then I take a alcohol-free alcohol wipe, and I wipe off all the dust. And then I put a good amount of glue in the middle of my nail, and I apply it at a 45-degree angle. Also, you're going to notice that the press-ons on my right hand are bigger than the Gel X on my left hand. I like to make my press-ons a little bigger so it's easier to pop them off, because I don't like to wear nails on my right hand. But my mom doesn't like when I go outside with only one hand done. So, yeah. That's why. That's it for the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. The long version will be coming out soon. Like, comment, subscribe. You already know. And yeah. Bye. Oh!